Hey, let me show you how to check the warranty of the Nothing Phone 2a. So first of all, just remember that the warranty for the headphones and other electronic devices, including the smartphones, it's for the 24 month. So now you have to just find out when you activate your phone. And you can actually do this by going into the browser and input this phrase, Nothing Phone Warranty Check. Open this official Nothing website, go to the product status, and from this you have to input your IMEI or serial number. If you cannot find it, let me just quickly show you. You have to go into this settings. We'll actually start from this screen. So we have to scroll down all the way down, go for About Phone, and now from this you can find IMEI number and the serial number. So we can input one of these three numbers, and just right here, click Submit. Now just wait for the post-processing, and after a few seconds we will get the activation date for our smartphone. So in my case, this is just right here. And from this date, you got like 2 years to use warranty of this product. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel.